Acharya online.
Good morning. Today I teach class 4 fraction. Exercise chapter 8. Class 4 maths. Here first question is fill in the blanks. 5 by 11, 3 by 11, 8 by 11 are fraction. I teach you a fraction whose denominator is same, that are called like fraction. B 1 by 11, 1 by 19, 1 by 18, 1 by 12 are. It is unit fraction. C 3 by 7 plus 1 equals 5 by 7. 3 by 7 plus 1 equal 5 by 7. Therefore, I see 7 is common, so you write 7. And answer is 5 and 3, so you subtract 5 minus 3, 2. So answer 2 by 7. D 15 by 29. 15 by 29 minus 7 by 29 equal what? Here also I see denominator are same, so you write 29 and 15 minus 7 8. This is your correct answer. Question number 2. Take equivalent fraction from the box and put them together in the box shape. Question number 2. Here we see some questions are equivalent, that are solved for you. First, 1 by 4, it's equal 3 by 12, because 1 3 is 3, 4 3 is 12. Other 4 by 5, its equivalent is 4 2 is 8, 8 by 10. Next, 2 by 3, 2 4 it is not completed. 3 by 2, it's 15 by 10. Rest is 1 by 4, 3 by 12, 4 by 5, 8 by 10, 3 by 2, 15 by 10, and rest 2 by 3, 12, 8 by 12. 2 4 is 8, 3 4 is 12. Here you once more see 1 3 is 3, 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8, 5 2 is 10, 3 5 is 15, 2 5 is 10, 2 4 is 8, 3 4 is 12. It is equivalent fraction. Question number 3. Shweta bought a pizza and divided it into 8 equal parts. She ate 3 by 8 of it and gave the remaining part to his brother Ankit. How much pizza did Ankit get? Here you see total part 8, and she ate minus 3 by 8. Therefore, rest is 8 by 8 minus 3 by 8. So your answer is 5 by 8. It is give Shweta to his brother Ankit. Next question number, it is 3. Question number 4. Arrange the descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest. So you write 11 by 15 then 9 by 15, then 7 by 15, and last 3 by 15. Question number 5. It is your question number 3. Encircle the correct answer from the given alternative answer. A. Find the sum of 4 by 23, 2 by 23, 2 by 23 plus 7 by 23. Therefore, we see denominator is same, so you write 23 and 4 plus 2 plus 7. 4, 7 to 9, 4, 13 by 23 is your complete answer. Is option is 3. It is your correct answer. B. If 1 kg of apple costs ₹60, how much will be the cost of 1 by 4 kg? 60 into 1 by 4. 4 15 ja equal ₹15 is your correct answer. That option is 1. In this way, you solve all questions of chapter test. I want you solve easily second quarter half yearly model paper. If any problem, then you ask another class. So you write do chapter test and solve second and solve all questions of second quarter model paper. Second quarter model paper, page 111 and 112. 111 and 112. If you find any problem, then you ask me another class. Thanks. Have a nice day.